What's up guys, Chicks there from Chicks Tech Reviews. Now today I'm super excited to bring you the latest LG's XBOOM Go series of portable Bluetooth speakers. So as you can see, they come in three different sizes. So the smallest one is the PK3, then you have the PK5, and finally the PK7, which is the largest model in this range. So LG have teamed up with MERIDIAN technology to bring you this incredible new lineup of portable Bluetooth speakers. Now quick background, we all know who LG is, but MERIDIAN Audio is an English manufacturer of high performance, high fidelity audio and video systems and was founded in 1977. So LG has teamed up with a company who have a very strong background in digital audio. So just with that information, you know that these speakers are going to be special. So without further ado, let's begin with the smallest speaker. So this is everything you get in the box. You've got a user manual, a small box with a USB Type-C cable, and last but not least, the PK3 itself. So here it is in my hands, the PK3 speaker by LG. So this speaker is made completely from plastic with a metal grille on the front. So we'll begin with the dimensions. It's 18 centimeters in width, 8 centimeters in height, and 8 centimeters in depth. Okay, now you have two passive radiators which will offer you a maximum of 16 watts of power. So quickly have a look at the ports. On the top you have a battery indicator, power button, a Bluetooth button, you've got volume control and skip tracks, play pause, you've got a dedicated voice command button, so once you're paired via Bluetooth you can press this voice button and it will activate your phone's Google or Siri assistant, enabling you to search directly from the speaker. You also got an equalizer button here for enhanced bass. Now on the back of the speaker there is a latch. When you open it you have a USB Type-C charging port, a 3.5mm audio jack and a reset button. Now there is also a built-in microphone so you can take your phone calls on the go. The speaker is IPX7 certified waterproof. So not only can you use it in the rain or near a pool, but if for some reason you drop it in water, it will survive in up to 1 meter of water for 30 minutes. So this is a complete waterproof speaker. Now another awesome feature is dual play. Just like true wireless stereo, you can link up two of these speakers to give you more power to enjoy. Now I will be testing all three speakers side by side, so let's check out the next model. So the next model is the LG XBOOM Go, the PK5. So we have exactly the same contents in the box. So here is the PK5, the next model up. So the first thing that hits me is the speaker feels even more premium than the last one. This one has like an aluminium frame going all the way around, and it also acts as a handle so you can carry it around with ease. So it does feel very solid. You've got a metal grille and the rest of it feels like a hard plastic type material. Quickly go through the dimensions. This one is 22 centimeters in width, it's 12 centimeters in height, and the depth is 11 centimeters. And this one weighs 1.2 kgs. Now on the top you've got all your controls, similar to the previous unit, but you've got a few extra buttons on here. You've got two equalizer modes in this speaker, clear vocal and enhanced bass. You can use them both at the same time. Now the voice command button also has a light button on it, and as you can see this model actually has flashing lights. Now these are LED lights which change color and dance to the beat of your tune. You also have custom mood settings, so you can also change the lights to suit your mood. Now this speaker has a 7.4 volt 2600 milliamp battery which will give you around 18 hours of non-stop music. This also supports high fidelity streaming from Bluetooth using APTX, AAC, but this speaker also supports APTX-HD. Now on the back, when you remove the latch, you will see a USB Type-C port, a 3.5mm audio jack, a reset button, but also you have a plus button. Now this plus button will allow you to pair up another speaker just like this one, and it will give you a dual play experience similar to what TWS does. So, and that will obviously give you more power, more bass, and enhance your experience with two speakers playing at the same time. Now this speaker is actually certified IPX5 splash and dust proof. So you can use it in all weathers, but you cannot submerge it in water. So this speaker is not waterproof. Okay, another extra feature that this model will give you is multiple Bluetooth pairing. So you can connect two Bluetooth smartphones to this speaker so you and a friend can alternate and choose the music accordingly. So let's check out the last model before doing a music test. So here is the last one in the range. It's called the PK7. It is the largest speaker let's quickly get this unboxed. So here is the big dog. This one is the biggest one in its range. It's the PK7, and in the box you will find a power brick and a power adapter. So that already tells you we're not messing around here. This one's going to be powerful, that it needs a power adapter to charge it. Let's have a look at the speaker itself. So here it is, PK7, and it's a lot heavier, guys. So this one looks like the beast from the bunch. I'll go through the dimensions first of all. It's 32 centimeters in width. We have 16 centimeters in height and 15 centimeters in depth. And this weighs a whopping 2.95 kgs. So that's nearly 3 kgs, people. So it's packing quite a bit of weight to this one. Now the speaker build quality for all three are more or less the same. And on the back of the speaker we have your power socket, which is the DC in that I showed you earlier. You've got a 3.5mm audio jack, reset hole, and again you've got a dual pairing button. Now this speaker consists of 2 passive radiators, and you've got 2 channel tweeters on either side, so this will give you a maximum of 40 watts of power. Now the PK7 is exactly the same design as the PK5, it's just a lot bigger in size. You also have the dual passive radiators, which act like mini bass drivers on the side. All 3 speakers have this feature, so you can expect a powerful bass. Now as you can see, these speakers also have LED lights which dance to the beat of your tune, but this model has an additional light at the top and the bottom, and you can also customize these lights to suit your mood. Furthermore, you have a 7.4 volt 5200 milliamp battery, which will give you around 22 hours of non-stop music. Now this also supports high fidelity streaming from Bluetooth using APTX and AAC, but this speaker will also support APTX-HD. It's also certified IPX splash and dust proof, so you can use it in the rain, but you cannot submerge this in water. Also supports multiple Bluetooth pairing. So without further ado, let's start playing some tunes. So we are going to begin with this one, so let's go ahead and see how it sounds. So there you have it guys, that was the latest LG XBOOM Go portable range of Bluetooth speakers. Now first of all, I am very impressed with the build quality as we have come to expect from LG devices. However, the sound quality was also simply outstanding. So here is a full breakdown of all three of these amazing speakers. You heard the sound quality, and I even used a proper sound meter, so that should give you a good indication of how loud these speakers were. Now there was a noticeable difference in the power both large speakers provided, and the bass was also pretty good. Now the smallest speaker naturally had the least bass, but it was still surprisingly loud for its size. And I also like the fact that the PK3 is completely waterproof, whilst the bigger ones are just splash resistant. So it's quite hard to choose a favourite when you have three outstanding speakers in front of you, but if I had to personally choose my honest favourite, it would probably be the PK5. I like the size and the weight, it's going to be comfortable to travel with, and I love the fact that you can charge it via USB Type-C, and that means if I'm low on power, which I doubt I will be with 18-hour battery life, but if I ever needed to charge it, I have the flexibility to charge it from a power bank with my standard USB Type-C cable. However, the PK7 has an incredible 22-hour battery life, so I doubt I'm going to need to charge that anytime soon. So with that being said, I'll leave the links in the description so you guys can check any of these awesome speakers out. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. See you in the next one, guys.